Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee. At ang sender natin ay si Fancy Bazaar.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So ito guys yung stainless cutter. So checkin natin guys kung legit or scam si seller.
Paano masabi?
So guys, si seller is legit. So ito yung cutter niya guys. Stainless art cutter. Thank you for watching.